Welcome back to my channel. This is Red Sonja. Today we're going to put some new scales on my old Victorinox Camper. If you saw my last video, you saw me take them off. So we got some brand new ones and we're going to try putting them on. So let's get to it. First we got some hot water. Not boiling, just enough so that it'll kind of warm these up a little bit. So when we go to put them on, it won't be too difficult. Because these have little lips on these pegs, which will, of course, cut pieces of plastic off and then it'll be too loose, and we don't want that. So hopefully that'll soften them up enough so that they'll slide over, and then when they cool off they'll be nice and tight. But let's see. So they recommend that you use a vise when you're putting these back together, and I don't have a vise, so I'm going to try. I have a small C-clamp. I'm going to use some tape to cover the ends so I don't damage the scales as I'm putting them together. So after I get the tape on these, I'll be right back. So it came out pretty good. It was a little fiddly trying to wrangle it. Looks like they're on pretty good. Alright, let's put some goodies in here and see how it looks. Okay, so this is what we ended up with. I think it came out pretty good. This one has all the spots to hold all the cool stuff. You know, we got the ferro rod, the pen, tweezers, and I even got a little toothpick on this side. I couldn't find a straight pin that would fit in here though. So that's my next project, find some straight pins. But it was a pretty fun project. I think it came out okay. And I thank you for joining me. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them. If you feel like liking or subscribing, I'd appreciate that too. It helps out the channel. And I hope you tune in next time for our next adventure. And I hope you have a great rest of the day.